guys, welcome to another video. Guess what we have got today? Today we've got another Tobe Glam Polygel kit. As most of you guys know now, I love this Polygel, my favourite brand ever. So this is the Sweet Candy Castle collection, which is full of gorgeous pastel colours. Look at these. Should we have a look inside the box? So that is the lid. So we've got the little envelope like we had in the last kit. These are gorgeous, aren't they? So pretty, these little leaflets. Again, you've got your instructions. And then on this side, you've got Tobe Glam's contact details, hints and tips, and a couple of inspo ideas, which is really nice to have. And how adorable are these little envelopes? They're so cute. Tiny little things, love them. Really nice touch. Their packaging is always so beautiful. So these are the colours we have got. Actually, let me take them out so we can have a proper look. Right, here we go, guys. So we've got On Cloud Blue, Happy Face, Sugar Rush, Sweet Cravings, Hello Fabulous, and Cotton Candy. Like I said earlier, these are all beautiful pastel shades. What I really like about Tobe Glam Polygels, not only is the consistency nice, they're really pigmented, they're not sticky, they're really, really nice to use. They're also HEMA-free, they're also vegan and cruelty-free, so they're really good quality as well. They're super affordable, and I like that they do starter kits, which has got everything in it. I'll show you. I have done a couple of videos on a couple of their starter kits. So this is one of their starter kits. You're not going to be able to see it very well because the box is absolutely massive. So you get plastic jewel forms, you get an LED mini lamp, you get a top coat, a base coat, you get a polygel brush, you get a file, and then you get your 6 polygels as well. So yeah, they do the starter kits, which has everything in it that you need. And then they do a few of these kits, which have just got 6 colours of polygel. So I think that's really nice, because when you're trying to build your polygel colour collection up, you don't want to be getting all the base coat, top coats, polygel brushes in every single one. If you've already got them, it's just pointless to keep getting them over and over again. So I think it's nice that they just do the polygel kits. And their best-selling colours, they sell individually as well. So they sell nice big 60ml tubes of those. And like I said, they are amazing quality at an affordable price. So I'm going to leave the links to Tobe Glam's website and their Amazon store in my description box below. I've also got a Tobe Glam 15% off discount code as well, guys, which is GG15. So if you want to place yourself an order on their website, don't forget to use that at checkout. Save yourself some coinage. Right, so I'm going to swatch these first. I want to take a look at the colours. And with my polygels, I like to swatch them on a bit of paper now. I just find it easier for me to store because I don't have a great deal of storage. So yeah, I've now started swatching them on a bit of paper. I just think it's a waste putting all of that product in swatch stick. Waste. And I don't do waste. So we're going to swatch them first, and then I'm going to do a design using some of them. So this one is On Cloud Blue. Ooh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Gorgeous baby blue colour. Like that. Look at that. Really nicely pigmented as well. Lovely and opaque. Then we've got Sugar Rush. I think this is my favourite. I like that. Look at that one. Beautiful lilac colour. Then we've got Hello Fabulous. Again, this is a really beautiful shade as well. fabulous, darling. Look at that. Pretty. Super light yellow. Sweet Cravings. Gorgeous pink. And then lastly, we've got Cotton Candy. Ooh, I like that one. That is kind of like my perfect nail bed colour. Really light pink, but it has got a slight hint of nude to it. And look at those, guys. How pretty are they? Super light pastel colours. Really like them. So I'm going to give them a cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. Right, so there we are, guys. That is those all fully cured. How pretty are those colours? I really like them. I can't wait to do a design with these now. So I was going to do a design at the end of this video, but this video is getting way too long already. So I'm going to put a design video out using some of the polygels in my next video. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. If anyone's interested in taking a look at the Tobe Glam website or their Amazon store, I'm going to leave all the links in my description box below. I'll also pin them in the comments as well, along with my discount code, GG15. Don't forget to use that to save yourself 15% off your order. That is only available on the website though, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.